Today I'm here to show you a brand new subscription kit. This one is all about wobbling characters and it's box number 40. You can make a minimum of 16 cards. So tell you what, let's have a look and see everything that you're going to be getting. Now, as you know by now, if you're in the subscription, it comes nicely packaged. Then we've got that little bit of a welcome from Sarah, nicely wrapped as always. And then let's go in. Now this one here, you've got two main stamp and die sets within this one. Now this one is the die, then you've got these little spirals. What do they do? Well, let's go into the stamps. So what you've got is you have got 4 different characters that you can see here. So let's bring some white so you can see. You've got the doggy, you've got the pussycat, you've got the fairy, and you've got the superhero boy. Now you have got the die to coordinate. So this one here is the little doggy, this one here is the little pussycat, this one here is the fairy, that one here is the superhero boy. And you've got your little dies, your little spiral dies that's going to work for each of them size-wise. So that's the Stampin' Dies that you get. That's what's going to create the wobbler. Then what we're going to give you is some ribbon, satin ribbon that you've got in this one, and straight away you can tell the colour theme that's going to run throughout this collection here. Then we're going to go into the card blanks. Now this is where it makes a minimum of 16 cards because you have got 16 card blanks. Then what you've also got is some more card blanks. You've got a range of A5, you've got a range of 5x7, and then what we give you, of course, is the envelopes to go included. So you've got your cards all good to go with the card blanks and of course with the envelopes. Then what we're going to do, we're going to give you some 8x8 papers. Not just any papers, look at these. You've got stripes, you've got very on-trend floral, but then you've got your dotty. Then you're going into, look at that one now, we can see that effect running through. Fine lines of the white, but you've got that bit of mint in the background too. Some more florals, but then you've got more of your stripes as well. Lots of subtle colour tones around the browns, around the tans, and around the craft, but that is then going to work and complement with the colour card you're going to get. Let's bring this one in. Now straight away, once again, look at these colours. Absolutely gorgeous. Colour tones that we've never done as to date when it comes to our subscription box. So this is one that's going to be brand new when it comes to the colour themes. You've got that sort of metallic pastel sort of look that runs throughout. So whether you're going to be doing your easel cards, whether you're going to be doing your pop-out cards, whether you want to use them with the penny sliders, you can be doing that as well. Lots of different things that you can be doing when it comes to the wobbler characters. This one is a brand new subscription box number 40 and it's all about the wobbling characters.